Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited has released the short notification for the year 2025. Let's quickly discuss what is the company profile और उसके बाद डिस्कस करेंगे कितनी पोस्ट है. Okay, so this particular company is a private limited company established by Reserve Bank of India. It's a wholly owned subsidiary company. Okay, so Reserve Bank of India wholly owns this particular company, Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. It's a wholly owned subsidiary. That means RBI is the parent entity here. Okay, the whole purpose of forming this entity is augmenting and production of the bank notes in India. We all know bank notes कौन produce करती है, ये वाली company produce करती है. The head office is situated in Bangalore and अभी as of now ये दो press manage करती है. First one is Mysore in Karnataka and Salboni in West Bengal. We all know that. Let's quickly talk about the notification. तो ये जो notification आया ये दो पोस्ट के लिए है. एक तो आपका deputy managers and process assistants. Okay, so process assistants is a grade 1 level profile, which is a trainee kind of profile. So 64 vacancies are there in total for the process assistants, and for the deputy manager there are 24 vacancies as of now. So it's a good opportunity, guys. It's a great organization, though it is a private limited company, but it is wholly owned by Reserve Bank of India here. Okay, and we can see from the short notification that the application will start on 10th of August till the 31st of August 2025. So we are having close to 3-4 days here. 10th of August को आपका डिटेल्ड नोटिफिकेशन, कंप्लीट नोटिफिकेशन आ जाना चाहिए और एप्लीकेशन डेट भी वहीं से चालू हो जाएगी. सो डेफिनेटली स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे अपडेटेड. इसका डिटेल्ड नोटिफिकेशन आते ही हम आपको डेफिनेटली बता देंगे. प्लस दिस इज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी अगेन हियर. Okay, so the detailed notification will be published on the company's website in the career section. So stay updated. जैसे ही notification आ जाएगा definitely will be posting a video और ये इसकी official website है. Okay guys, if I talk about the history of the organization, I was also surprised to know about this fact that Indian currency was earlier printed by this particular entity, a British banknote manufacturing company. Okay, so earlier the Indian currency was printed by a British banknote manufacturing company. This is the name of the company, right? And after that RBI acquired this, RBI formed this wholly owned subsidiary company BRBN MPL, राइट. और अभी इनकी दो प्रेस हैं, नोट प्रेस हैं, तो यहाँ पे नोट प्रिंटिंग का काम होता है. ओके गाइस, सो स्टे अपडेटेड. जैसे ही नोटिफिकेशन आता है डेफिनेटली विल पोस्ट अ डिटेल वीडियो ऑन दैट नोटिफिकेशन. Bye bye, take care. And if you are preparing for any regulatory body examination, definitely you can check out this discount as well. You are getting flat 60% off on all the regulatory exam subscription here. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.